The 2008 Infiniti G35. The Infiniti G35 is a true sports car. It features a powerful engine, a sports suspension, and rear-wheel drive, all marks of sporting cars. Rear-wheel drive offers handling response that front-wheel drive cars can't usually match. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, Bose sound system, traction control, Bluetooth, auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener, iPod adapter, auto on headlights, navigation package, backup camera. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.